Happy New Year, brothers and sisters. My name is Stefan. Some of you already know me. Some of you don't. I'm going to introduce myself again. I'm a brother from DRC Congo. I live right here in Austin with you guys, and a member of our African WhatsApp group, and also part of the Congolese community WhatsApp group. Last year, we started a training program, a computer training program, where we decided to start helping some of the brothers and sisters who are looking into getting into the IT world. So we did run the program for a few months, but then decided to stop because just a few people in a group were not committed at the same level. And when you put someone who's committed 100% and someone who's committed 25% in the same group, you see that it doesn't actually work out the same way. And some people end up being penalized on the project. So we actually learned from that. And this year we decided to do it completely different than we did it last year. The program is still be running under the website Mukabatech. Mukabatech, where you can find more information about the program, what we do, and how we do it. So these are some of the stuff we cover in the training. So I would like to mention here, I am a systems engineer. So most of the stuff that I teach people, it's Microsoft related, and operating system, hardware, and software on the infrastructure level. So I'm not a developer. I am not a DB admin, but part of the job I do as a senior systems engineer, I get to support the infrastructure in a different level, on premises and also in the cloud. So this year we decided to run this program completely different. We're gonna run the program on 1-to-1 or 1-to-2, meaning that this is actually really a customized training where we're gonna be running the program based on your level. Because the other thing we notice is people have different level, different schedule, and in different stage of their life. Some people want to do more, some people wanted to do less, and so on and so forth. So what we'll be doing this year is we're going to be doing it on 1-to-1 or 1-to-2. Or 1-to-2, it's going to be like two buddies, or a husband and wife, a boyfriend and girlfriend. You decided that this year we need to have as much as we can people who are really hungry and want to change their jobs, move into the IT world. We're going to be helping them out to really get them to kickstart their IT training in a computer and get an employment in IT, because there are a lot of jobs out there, and people who have the skills to do them are getting hired every day. So we're giving you a shortcut on how to get there. The program, as I've said before, cover a lot of the support jobs in all level, but we get to teach you everything you need to know to support an IT infrastructure. So at the end of the program, we aim to take some people to get that first certification in IT, which is a CompTIA A+. But some people might want to go for a Microsoft certification, like a first Microsoft certification, instead of going for a CompTIA. So that's why, as I said, this is going to be per individual and per your level, how, what you have. And we can actually work with you to try to get you there based on what you have. We'll try to tailor your training and work with you to get you to that certification, and also prepare you to, for the interview, and what you need to do and how you need to prepare to get that first job in IT. So this is it. If you really interested on getting into, changing your career, this is 2020, start using your brain to make the bread instead of using your body to to earn money. A lot of us already come back from from Africa with something there. You just need to tap into it and give yourself time to start making some money in IT. About me, if you want to find out more about me, just Google me. I'm Stefan, but my real name, it is Kakombe Funga. If you Google me and you're only interested with my LinkedIn program, LinkedIn profile, I meant. So go to my LinkedIn profile, check me out there. This is my current position. I work for LCRA. These are a few groups that, I have in LinkedIn. So my current position is Senior Windows Systems, Windows Server AD and Storage at LCRA. I've been there for 2 months and 2 years and 4 months, like 4 years. Before that, I was actually supporting Microsoft Office 365. This was really sitting at home and doing this job for 2 years and 6 months. In the future, a lot of IT jobs are going to be remote, where you don't have to move, so you can just be doing this job sitting at home. I work for Microsoft, I work for HP, IBM, software engineer, cloud. I work in France, in UK, Philips, and so on and so forth. I actually got my computer degree in Congo. Yes. And when I moved to Europe, I decided to get the manufacturer training instead of going for another degree or a master's in Europe, because it was expensive. So I was actually certified Microsoft in 1997. So I've got almost 30 years of experience. So I'm not just going to be teaching you guys computer stuff, but also get to share with you all you need to know to be successful in IT. So check my profile and reach out. You can just reach out to me directly to my contact, which will be on, these are just different trainings. You can actually, if you log into your LinkedIn, excuse me, go and read some of my recommendation. So here it is. Happy New Year, and reach out. This time we're gonna do it at your level, at your pace, get you to move into IT and start making some real money. So Happy New Year, and